Can I ask you, why did you go vegetarian?
Because I feel guilty eating cows because it's not like we went and hunted them. We freaking raised them to shoot them in the head and stuff, and I freaking hate it.
Unethical. Yeah. There's a documentary called Dominion. It's narrated by Joaquin Phoenix. You should check that out. It's very informational.
Maybe on Netflix or something?
It's free on YouTube, or you could just type in watchdominion.com, and it's free on there too. It's all free. Flyer that shows the benefits of being vegan for the environment and themselves.
Sure, thank you.
Awesome.
Trying to get people to choose cruelty-free life.
I totally understand. I wish I was more motivated and more disciplined to do it. I've been vegetarian, and then I won't be, and then I will be, and then I won't be.
Yeah.
In America, it's just kind of hard. You have to.
All free. And also, What the Health, if you're interested in the health aspects of it, and that's on Netflix. But that one is actually, I think that one was directed by Joaquin Phoenix, so he's got his hands in all of it.
Yeah.
Thank you for taking that. If you, like I said, if you scan that, it'll give you a lot of very useful information.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Oh, interesting. Gosh, they look so busy. No, it's good. We want the audience. I want to do it, okay?
Yes.
Hey, can I get 2 of the vegan burgers?
We don't have those at McDonald's.
Oh, you don't
have
them?
anything like that here. No, it would be like Burger King or something.
Oh, you don't. You don't do them at all?
No.
Oh.
There's a little flyer on the benefits of going vegan.
Oh, yeah. I actually have been there, started halfway.
Yeah. Well, finish it. It's change your life. Pure medicine. Hey.
We're trying to spread the message of veganism to be cruelty-free to all animals. If you'd like to take that, it shows the benefits to the health, environment, everything.
I appreciate that. I do mostly agree with that.
Yeah.
I went on Black Angus Farm, so.
Yeah.
You did.
So you get to see that they have feelings and there's individual personalities.
Eventually now you've come away from the farm and everything and you're fostering loving animals and stuff. Yeah. So are you a vegetarian or anything now?
I'm not a full vegetarian at all. I love bacon. That was the downfall.
Yeah. You know, I never went vegan for the taste, that's for sure. I love bacon too, but there's kind of a disconnection between food and animals. Because you know, like the pig, just like the dog.
There usually is, yeah. These are my downfalls: cigarettes, bacon.
Have you ever watched a documentary called Dominion? Very educational. It actually shows you a lot of the hidden truths that the meat, egg and dairy industry don't want you to see. In the dairy industry, so a cow naturally to live in today would be around 20 years, you know, but in the wild. In the dairy industry, it's 4 years for the female, and it has to be forcibly impregnated every year and have a calf to continually give milk every single day. And if it's a male, you know what happens to the male calf? Has its throat slit and bashed in the head, and it's veal.